Hello and welcome to another full beam tutorial. In this session I'm going to show how I use the image editing program Skylum Luminar 4 to enhance the sky. In order to do this, I'll be using a product that's available from the Luminar marketplace called California Sunsets. So let me open up Luminar 4. And I'm going to edit a single image. So I'll click on the plus here, edit single image, and then bring up a single image. As you can see, the sky here is not too dramatic at all. I want to change that by using the California Sunsets add-on for Skylum. In order to do that, I need to get to the Creative palette. That would be in the sidebar over here, but that's not displayed right now. So if I hit the Tab key on the keyboard, it brings up the sidebar. Depending on the choices that I've made in the toolbar, I'll see different items in the sidebar. I need to be on Edit and then click on the Creative palette. Click on that, and then I need to click on AI Sky Enhancement. After that, in order to use the California Sunsets edition, I'll click on Sky Selection. And I'll just choose the first possibility here, Blue Sky 1. And as you can see, that made quite a difference. Clicking on the before and after button here, on the left we see the original image, and on the right we see the clouds that have been added. You'll notice that it also made some subtle changes in the basic image itself. Turn that off. And for something even more dramatic, I'm going to go for a night sky. Let's try Starry Night 2. And as you can see, that made substantial changes in the image. If you want to keep any of these changes, you can't save the program directly. What you need to do is export the image. And the way that you do that is you go to the File menu, click on File, click on Export, and for simplicity's sake, I'm going to export it to the desktop, and so that I don't overwrite anything, I'll add an EDIT or edit to the file name and then export it. To confirm that the change was saved, I'm going to minimize Skylum, go to the desktop, and open up the image. And there you have it. I'm going to show the steps required to install the California Sunsets addition to the program after this video. I hope that you're finding this to be useful. Thank you for watching.